Alright. How can I help you this evening? Oh, actually, I heard that the witches, they have something for you. I believe they acquired some cuttings of the plant, and they wanted me to tell you that they have that for you over there.
Baker's
Wait, send them a message. It sounds like I should check this out.
Yeah, I'd be interested to see what
All I know
their intention is with that plant.
Yes, I am
I know
too.
there's a front one.
All right, well, I thank you for
Not
this
too
message.
tall
You're very
where
welcome. Glad I could help.
Yeah.
they've been doing it.
I'm actually giving him out to lecture. Get his first game. Now a quick word. That's Samson. Yes. And then I'll be back for this.
Mini World War. Is this your first time to try? Oh, well, fantastic. No, you don't have to turn this floor. Yeah, that is perfectly terrified. Catacombs. I believe I have you remember.
Assassination. Hey. You alright? Yeah. Well, you've just gotten rid of a parcel. For now, at least. Did you see your teeth? So, unfortunately, I cannot help with that. But it affects my feet after class.
There is something in you. I think that was having some problems. And he did a spell, and you weren't you for a bit. So I gave you some poison. It's not gonna kill you, it'll make you sick though. So we're gonna let you recover. You can get out of the circle now. Recover, and we'll talk about making sure that things get back.
Would you like a question during the pool?
You over the fire. We're quite famous in Chancer. We could probably help you out with whatever's happening. But whatever it is, it's going to be back in about a week, probably. Alright. I want you to take some time to think about them. I'll gladly answer whatever they are. I'm going to give you some time because you have some sorting out to do. So take your time. I'll be right over there.